This is the moment in every video shoot. This is how you bring it to life. This is pure perfection. And this is RGKit Play, a motion control kit, but much more than a motion control kit. Move your design and camera with these motors and accessories. Control it all with your phone. Go round, back and forth. Almost fall, but don't. You name it. So whether you're an amateur or a pro, you could create these experiences in your studio, at your home, on your very own desk. To make this easy, here's what we did. There were too many wires, we took that out. A set of wireless modules and a phone app for every movement. Engineered the driver board to create motion stability. Bye-bye jitters. Designed loads of accessories for tons of movement with one motor. And this one here controls light, among other things. Interactivity, we added a sensor for that, so you can have access to an all-inclusive tool to bring your ideas to life.
The fusion between the hardware and the software seamlessly becomes part of your design process. So you just plug in the modules, and they automatically sense each other and connect to your phone wirelessly. On RGKit app, you can control all the modules with zero line of code. So here, you have two modes. Manual, where you can control all the modules in real time, and auto mode, when you can create a sequence of movement on the app. You can play around with the speed, acceleration, duration, and a lot more. And when you click play, the sequence starts automatically. To make RGKit Play even more versatile, we created RGKit Play accessories. All made of metal, CNC machined, laser cut with very high precision, and coated to give you this playful finish.
The possibilities are remarkable. In your stop motion, you can choreograph an entire sequence. Connect this to that, and finish before your deadline. And instead of your interactive concept only existing on paper, it can be in an actual exhibition. An actual exhibition. Sync your light, subject, and camera movement like a pro. Have full control over the movements and take a video like this.
We have been working with high-speed brands for the last couple of years, and this year, we decided to follow our dream of making RGKit Play accessible for all creative. We created hundreds of prototypes, iterations, wrote endless lines of code, worked with high-quality production factories, and we just need enough orders to start our first production batch. You can order yours now on Kickstarter and choose from different rewards. With your support, we can make this happen and open the doors for all creatives to play with movement like a pro.
This is RGKit Play.
Time-lapse videos, lightning strikes, flying foods, popping balloons, burning steel walls, high dynamic range images. No matter what kind of photography, as Ansel Adams said, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Sometimes you travel for miles, struggle with harsh weather, wait for hours, make countless attempts for the same scene. All this for one thing, making a great photo. This is why we have created Flex, the easiest way of making creative photos. Lightning strikes are one of the spectacular events of nature. Flex is an excellent tool for those who want to capture these unique moments. Adjust the camera settings, set the sensor sensitivity, and leave the rest to Flex. Whether daytime or nighttime, it detects lightning strikes and automatically triggers your camera to make the magic happen. You can instantly see the shot on your smartphone and combine multiple lightning strikes in a single photo to make impressive lightning photos. Moreover, you can instantly share them on your social media accounts with a single touch. Flex is one of the most powerful devices for making time-lapse videos last from minutes to hours without any hassle. In addition to regular time-lapse modes, Flex adds bulb ramping, HDR time-lapse, and even Holy Grail time-lapse for complex lighting conditions such as day-to-night transitions. Best of all, Flex shows you a preview of your time-lapse video during the shooting process. High dynamic range photography is another great way of making stunning photos. Flex extends your camera's bracketing limitations. It magically takes multiple images of the same scene at different exposures and stitches them into a single HDR image in seconds. Set your composition, exposure, and sit back. Just share with others and enjoy the comments. Live framing is an excellent tool for those who like to shoot with pre-planned compositions. Put the finishing touches on your scene and take the perfect photo with a single tap. Step into high-speed photography with Flex's smart sensors, which combine multiple high-speed photography features in a single unit. Take multiple shots of flying objects by freezing the moment. Making the photo you have dreamed of is now very easy and fun by using the laser mode. Or unleash your creativity with a popping balloon. Capture the right moment, preview from your smartphone, edit, and make that eye-catching photo. Flex is also capable of geotagging your photos by adding the GPS data from your smartphone. You can now easily organize your images according to their location. Flex offers far more functionality than a standard cable release. Its 6 different cable release modes let you dominate the shutter. You can release it with a single touch or set a timer to release the shutter. If you are a lover of star trails, steel wools, or light paintings, Flex will be an essential tool in your photo bag. Use one of Flex's many long exposure modes without having to touch your camera. You will be impressed by Flex's great features and be amazed by the contribution it can make to your photography. Please support our campaign and let's turn this dream into reality together again.
I need to buy a diving computer, and I want to buy an underwater camera. But buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets Diveroid, it's possible. Introducing Diveroid, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy a new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O-ring structure with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the Diveroid app, connect with your smartphone, and you're ready. Diveroid works underwater as both a diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms, including slowdown and safety stop functions, are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. Diveroid provides 4 camera modes: ultra-wide angle, wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to take vivid videos of the beautiful underwater ocean. Still not satisfied with your pictures even after using the red filter? The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive! Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook link and send our diving records to family and friends? Add depth, graphs, and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the Diving Story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with Diveroid. All-in-one dive gear, Diveroid.